I'm Jan, and Tracy is behind the camera, and this is Suite 1217 on the MSC Armonia. Now, the MSC Armonia is the oldest of the ships we've ever sailed on, first built in 1997, so you feel that 1990s ship architecture as you do come in the room. Now, I'll tell you, one of the things I love about this room is behind these balconies, there are floor-to-ceiling windows that go across the entire space, so as we open up the curtains, you see a lot of light that really makes this area feel really light and fresh. Now, in the living area here, you have a couch off to the left, which is a pull-out bed, so you can have guests in here sleeping as well as you have this seating chair in front of a medium-sized table, which is probably good for 2 people to have room service. Now, across from the couch, you have this credenza, and this center portion of the credenza, you do have a mini bar. It does come stocked with soft drinks and some beers. However, those are complimentary. However, to refill those, there is a cost. Now, on either side of the mini bar, you do have some cabinet with shelves, with lots of shelves and storage. In fact, storage is going to be a theme that runs throughout this room because there is a lot of storage in this room. Now, on the top of the credenza, you have a medium-sized TV, as well as you have an espresso machine to be able to have coffee in the morning.
And right next to the living area, you do have your bedroom. And this is your king-size bed. The bed's a little bit firm, so we're going to ask for a mattress topper. And on both sides of the bed, you do have 2 lighted nightstands. There's no drawers here, so you can't put anything in there, nor are there any USB or plugs for any kind of electrical things like a CPAP or charging your iPhone or something. But in front of the bed, you do have 2 floor-to-ceiling mirrors, and those make the room seem a lot bigger than it is. And right next to the bedroom area, you have the vanity. So the vanity is very well lit, and that is where your only electricity that we've found in the room is available. That's where you have 2 110s and 2 220s on both sides of it. Behind the mirror, you have your personal safe where you can put your stuff, and you also have the hair dryer back there. And the vanity dresser itself does have a pull-out drawer.
Like I said, storage is a theme that goes throughout this room. I already showed you the cabinets underneath the credenza with lots of different storage. Tracy shows you the storage that is behind the vanity, but then you come to this area, and what you find is a quasi, what I would say, walk-in closet. Really lots of room here. It does have a light that once you open up the door, the light does come on, which is nice, especially when you're looking for something to wear in the morning. There is a total of 6 different drawers that actually pull out to be able to put any of your folded clothes. Plus, there's lots of hanger space along the back side. But in addition to this, what you have as you move towards the front of the room, what you have is not 1, but you have 2 other closets on either side of this full-length mirror. In those closets, you have additional shelves for any type of your folded clothes.
Now we're in the bathroom, and we find that it's not very big. It does have a tub because this is a suite, and it is a tub shower combination. And across from the tub, you do have nice lighting here, and it has a small sink. You have plenty of storage for your cosmetics and toiletries, and then the toilet is right behind me.
And finally, we come out to the balcony. The balcony is basically what you would see on almost any other cruise ship. It is not a large balcony, but it certainly is large enough to be able to be comfortable for 2 people coming out. You do have 2 vinyl seats out here, as well as an ottoman, which is large enough to double as a table, so you can be able to have, say, breakfast out here in the morning as you're on the seas in the Mediterranean. So that is Suite 1217 on the MSC Armonia. Go on and watch this video right here as we give you a tour of the rest of the ship, and as always, keep on traveling.